Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aqsa Khalid, and today my topic of presentation is Muslim AIDS. This is the logo of Muslim Aid in front of you. What is Muslim Aid? Muslim Aid is a UK-based Islamic charity NGO. Its formation was 1st November 1985. It was originally run by the former senior staff of the Muslim Council of Britain. What is the Muslim Council of Britain? It is an umbrella body with over 500 mosques, educational and charitable associations affiliated to it. It includes national, regional, local and specialist Muslim organizations and institutions from different ethnic and sectarial backgrounds within British Islamic society. What is the motto of Muslim Aid? Its motto is serving humanity, charity. Status, it's charity, and its purpose is helping in healthcare, education, disasters and emergency, shelters and construction, economic empowerment, child sponsorship, income generation and UK development. What does Muslim Aid do? Muslim Aid does many things like go around the world helping people to get money so they can get their basic needs. It was established in 1955 in Whitechapel, London. Its headquarters is London. In which Muslim countries Muslim Aid is working? Almost there are 13 countries in which Muslim Aid is working, and their office like Bangladesh, Bosnia, Cambodia, Indonesia, Iraq, Jordan, Canty, Pakistan, Lebanon, Somalia, Sri Lanka, Sudan and Myanmar. It almost working in 70 countries, but their offices are registered and function in Sweden and USA. Muslim Aid's recent mission. However, exact mission is not known. While on second thought, Muslim Aid recent mission is to help the people in crisis in Syria by donating food, money, clothes and shelters. Work of Muslim Aid. It operated in Indonesia following 2004 Indian Ocean's earthquake, and then 2 earthquakes in Java, and one in May 2016 and the July of the year. It also worked in Bosnia following Yugoslavia War of 1990s. It worked in Pakistan 2000 Kashmir earthquake to build seismically resistant sustainable housing in conjunction with UK architectural charity. In 2010, Muslim Aid responded to destructive earthquake in Haiti, and educational projects and long-term support of to a hospital inside Syria commenced in 2016. In 2016, Muslim Aid is partnership with WFP was the first NGO to reach Shirkat, Iraq for over 2 years with essential food aids. Muslim Aids believe in order to really help people, the cause, not just the symptom of poverty, must be addressed. By 1994, long-term development projects accounted for almost 50% of Muslim AIDS relief activity, as well as helping overcome crises, overcoming skills, resources to assist people to move forward to a better life. Muslim Aid closely with communicate to deliver its program and remain committed to working in collaboration with all its beneficiaries to ensure that solutions are not imposed from the outside All solutions are culturally sensitivity owned by the beneficiary. In April 2013, three men were convicted to planning terrorist attack in UAK. They raised fraud by criminally posing as a Muslim aid worker. The matter was pursued by the police and prosecution were made. A small amount of fund was recovered and passed on to the charity. There are also many work of Muslim aids. In 2008, 10 Muslim Aid celebrated the 25th year since it began to work. The year was marked with events and initiatives to highlight its achievement and plots to its future course. It messaged the Prince of in a message, the Prince of Wales said, "I have followed your progress with close interest and intentions over the last quarter of century and have admired the projects and programs you have undertaken in more than 70 countries around the world, ranging from emergency and disaster and relief to education, health, and microfinance project. If I may say so, our country is incredibly fortunate to the able to the count organization like Muslim Aid who bring not only help but hope to those most in need. Thank you. Awards and nomination in 2013, Muslim Aid won International Charity Award at the Charity Times Award. The charity was also nominated for the Charity of the Year award in January 2014. Muslim Aid was nominated for the Year of Award at the British Muslim Awards. There are also a few countries about the Muslim Aid. In 2008, their offices in Latvia was raided by the police over the allegation that funds were being sent through Interpol to help get money into Gaza during Israel border clear. While in 2009, despite being dogged by allegation of foreign intelligence link and terrorist support throughout the Muslim world, Muslim Aid Pakistan, with full support of Muslim Aid UK, figure out appointed a former director of the Inter-Service Intelligence, Khaled Latif Mughal, as its country chairman.